been major events. One thing is the World Economic Forum. We made a presentation to their staff and their guests, and above all at the UN office here in Geneva. A major event with over 1,000 people attending this event, with some of the top participation from IUCN and other UN agencies, a significant participation. So it's been great and full-on support from all agencies.
It's my great pleasure to extend a very warm welcome to Sadhguruji. I'm quite confident that the campaign launched by Sadhguruji will succeed in drawing the attention of the governments and the people worldwide to the need to save soil and encourage them to take requisite steps to accomplish this goal.
And we have the honor to welcome its leader, Sadhguru, here with us today. The global movement led by him addresses the soil crisis by mobilizing people around the entire world.
We are very happy to working together with all of you. So thank you very much again, this opportunity. Thank you.
So I would really like to thank Sadhguru for his leadership. I think it's a message of urgency, but it's also a message of hope. So save soil, let's get going.
It's really fantastic. Thank you very much for everybody who is making this possible. Namaskar.